Are you eating your favorite foods the wrong way? You might think you're being healthy, but the way you're preparing certain foods could be wasting their nutrients, or worse, making them harmful. Stick around because, in this video, we'll reveal 5 everyday foods you've been eating wrong and show you how to prepare them for maximum health benefits. You'll never look at these foods the same way again. 1. Tomatoes, raw or cooked. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your heart and fights cancer. But here's the mistake: eating them raw. While raw tomatoes are great, cooking them actually boosts the availability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb. The heat breaks down the cell walls, releasing more lycopene into your food. So, the next time you make a salad, consider adding some roasted tomatoes or tomato-based sauces for an extra nutrient punch. Pro tip: pair them with a drizzle of olive oil to maximize absorption. 2. Garlic. Why crushing matters? Garlic is a superfood that boosts immunity, lowers blood pressure, and fights inflammation. But if you're chopping or cooking it too quickly, you're doing it wrong. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is activated when garlic is crushed or chopped. Here's the trick: after chopping or crushing garlic, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking it. This allows the allicin to fully form, ensuring you get the maximum health benefits. Whether you're making garlic bread, pasta, or stir-fries, don't rush this step. It makes a big difference. 3. Broccoli, steamed, not boiled. Broccoli is one of the healthiest veggies out there, loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and cancer-fighting compounds called sulforaphane. But boiling broccoli destroys most of its nutrients, leaving you with a mushy, less nutritious vegetable. The healthiest way to prepare broccoli? Steam it lightly for 3 to 5 minutes. This preserves its nutrients and keeps it vibrant and crunchy. Want to take it up a notch? Add a squeeze of lemon juice or sprinkle it with sesame seeds for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. 4. Eggs. Ditch the overcooking. Eggs are a protein powerhouse, rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and choline. But here's the problem: overcooking eggs, especially boiling or frying them at high temperatures, can damage their nutrients and oxidize the cholesterol. For the healthiest eggs, stick to soft boiling, poaching, or lightly scrambling them. These methods retain their nutrients and keep the yolks creamy and delicious. And don't toss the yolk. That's where most of the vitamins and healthy fats are found. 5. Potatoes, the cooling trick. Potatoes often get a bad reputation, but they're actually a great source of fiber, potassium, and resistant starch, which supports gut health. However, frying them in oil turns them into a calorie bomb. The healthier way? Boil or bake your potatoes and let them cool before eating. Why? Cooling cooked potatoes increases their resistant starch content, which is good for digestion and blood sugar control. Slice them into a salad or enjoy them cold with a bit of olive oil and herbs. It's a healthier, tastier option. Bonus tips for everyday food. Want to level up even more? Pair nutrient-rich foods with healthy fats like avocado, nuts, or olive oil to boost absorption. Avoid peeling fruits and veggies like apples and carrots, as the skin often contains the highest concentration of nutrients. And when reheating leftovers, use gentle methods like steaming or microwaving on low to preserve their goodness. And there you have it, 5 everyday foods you've been eating wrong and the best ways to prepare them for maximum health benefits. A few small changes in the kitchen can make a huge difference for your health and energy. If this video gave you new ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite food hack. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare it that counts.